Wake up animation with zoom effect. 3D spatial wallpaper. Liquid glass effect. No bar liquid glass effect. Lock screen dynamic island. Flashlight animation. Home screen widget. Control center. iOS style icon pack. Let's install and custom this theme. Theme name in China theme store. Backup file for global in description. Default lock screen theme. Double tap to custom. Choose English widget. Clock style custom. Theme default wallpapers. How to change lock screen wallpaper and enable dynamic island. You need two images to create depth effect wallpaper. Original image. Background removed image. Open theme store. Customize theme. Lock style and custom theme. Import background removed first. Next, import original image. Enable effects. Zoom and blur effect. Active your wallpaper. (3D effect toggle). Depth effect toggle. Number 5 option. Enable lock screen dynamic island. Select this option. Lock screen music dynamic island. Lock screen flashlight dynamic island. No bar liquid glass effect. Change home screen wallpaper using Google Wallpaper app. Home screen only. Backup for global in description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.